Easy and affordable garden decor, ideas for beginners on a budget. Transforming your garden into an inviting and stylish space doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. With a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, beginners can create a beautiful garden area that reflects personal style while staying on budget. One of the easiest ways to start is by repurposing items you already have at home. Old furniture, such as chairs or tables, can be given a new life with a fresh coat of weather-resistant paint and used as unique garden accents. Similarly, household items like teacups, saucers, or metal cans can be transformed into charming planters, adding whimsical touches to your outdoor space. Embracing the concept of upcycling not only saves money, but also gives your garden a distinct, personalised character. Look for second-hand pieces at thrift stores or garage sales that can be converted into garden decor. For example, an old ladder can be turned into a tiered plant stand, providing vertical interest and additional space for your plants to thrive. Additionally, consider creating your own garden art by repurposing unused materials. Colourful glass bottles can be used to craft a DIY bottle tree or lanterns that cast enchanting shadows in the evening light. Adding lighting to your garden is another effective way to enhance its ambience without overspending. Solar-powered lights are an affordable and sustainable option that can be easily installed along pathways, around seating areas, or in flower beds to create a magical glow after sunset. String lights are also a versatile and budget-friendly choice, perfect for draping over pergolas, along fences, or between trees to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. For a personalised touch, you can make your own lanterns by placing candles in mason jars or paper bags with cutout designs. Incorporating natural elements into your garden decor not only reduces costs, but also promotes sustainability. Collect stones, pebbles, or driftwood during walks and use them to create decorative borders, pathways, or focal points. A simple stone arrangement can add a zen-like quality to your garden space. Planting native flowers and shrubs is another budget-conscious strategy, as they are typically less expensive, require less maintenance, and are better adapted to the local climate, enhancing your garden's beauty year-round. Gardening on a budget doesn't mean compromising on plant variety or aroma. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley can be grown from seeds or cuttings and are both visually appealing and functional for home cooking. These versatile plants thrive in small spaces, containers, or window boxes, allowing you to enjoy fresh flavors without investing in pricey plants. Meanwhile, annual flowers such as marigolds, zinnias, and cosmos provide vibrant bursts of colour throughout the growing season and can be sourced affordably from local nurseries or seed exchanges. Water features can add a sense of tranquility and elegance to your garden without a huge cost. Consider simple DIY projects such as a small bird bath made from a shallow dish or saucer placed atop a sturdy base, or create a miniature pond by sinking a large watertight container into the ground. These additions can attract wildlife, such as birds or butterflies, adding movement and a touch of nature to your garden. Finally, keep your garden clutter-free and organised by using creative storage solutions. Repurpose old crates, shelves, or buckets to store tools and supplies, keeping them tidy and easily accessible. The key to successful budget gardening is to plan thoughtfully and embrace DIY projects, which can be both rewarding and a fun way to express your creativity. With these easy and affordable garden decor ideas, even those new to gardening can cultivate a beautiful and inviting outdoor retreat.